Do you know Spanish? Let's find out with 80 words everyone should know and 2 answer options for each one. Let's begin! How do you say house?
Casa.
How do you say eat?
Comer.
How do you say car?
Carro.
How do you say drink?
Beber.
How do you say friend?
Amigo.
How do you say work?
Trabajar.
How do you say water?
Agua.
How do you say sleep?
Dormir.
How do you say family?
Familia.
How do you say open?
Abrir.
How do you say school?
Escuela.
How do you say close?
Cerrar.
How do you say phone?
Teléfono.
How do you say read?
Leer.
How do you say food?
Comida.
How do you say write?
Escribir.
How do you say door?
Puerta.
How do you say buy?
Comprar.
How do you say key?
Llave.
How do you say sell?
Vender.
How do you say chair?
Silla.
How do you say help?
Ayudar.
How do you say table?
Mesa.
How do you say call?
Llamar.
How do you say bed?
Cama.
How do you say wait?
Esperar.
How do you say dog?
Perro.
How do you say drive?
Conducir.
How do you say cat?
Gato.
How do you say walk?
Caminar.
How do you say city?
Ciudad.
How do you say run?
Correr.
How do you say street?
Calle.
How do you say sit?
Sentarse.
How do you say room?
Habitación.
How do you say stand?
Pararse.
How do you say window?
Ventana.
How do you say speak?
Hablar.
How do you say kitchen?
Cocina.
How do you say listen?
Escuchar.
How do you say money?
Dinero.
How do you say learn?
Aprender.
How do you say store?
Tienda.
How do you say teach?
Enseñar.
How do you say book?
Libro.
How do you say watch?
Mirar.
How do you say pencil?
Lápiz.
How do you say cook?
Cocinar.
How do you say teacher?
Maestro.
How do you say clean?
Limpiar.
How do you say student?
Estudiante.
How do you say jump?
Saltar.
How do you say hospital?
Hospital.
How do you say swim?
Nadar.
How do you say doctor?
Doctor.
How do you say enter?
Entrar.
How do you say police?
Policía.
How do you say leave?
Salir.
How do you say bus?
autobús,
How do you say send?
enviar,
How do you say train?
tren,
How do you say receive?
recibir,
How do you say airplane?
avión,
How do you say find?
encontrar,
How do you say boat?
barco,
How do you say lose?
perder,
How do you say job?
trabajo,
How do you say remember?
recordar,
How do you say office?
oficina,
How do you say forget?
olvidar,
How do you say market?
mercado,
How do you say bring?
traer,
How do you say park?
parque,
How do you say take?
llevar,
How do you say garden?
jardín,
How do you say pay?
pagar,
How do you say bank?
banco,
How do you say charge?
cobrar,
How do you say hotel?
hotel,
How do you say save?
ahorrar.
How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe for more Spanish quizzes and check out our other videos. See you next time!